Hi, Namaste, beautiful souls. If this reading has appeared before you today, trust that your presence here is not a coincidence, okay? Because in the divine timing of Lord Jagannath, there are no accidents, only sacred invitations, okay? Somewhere beyond logic and beyond what the eyes can see, your soul heard a call and it led you here. So that is why you are here, okay? Because Lord Jagannath is known as the Lord of the universe, the one who is love, reaches every year, every heart, without judgment, whose blessings are not limited by religion, status, or past mistakes. So, his energies remind us that no soul is ever forgotten. Even when life feels uncertain, he is quietly guiding every step towards its highest destiny. So today's reading is not about predicting the future. It is about remembering what your soul already knows, and it is an opportunity to receive the message that Lord Jagannath wishes to place in your heart at this exact moment, okay? uh, Also, this is a collective reading. As you look okay towards this like reading, don't just choose your mind, okay? Instead, take a slow gentle breath, choose your eyes. If you feel called to, silently whisper that Lord Jagannath, if you have called me here today, please guide my heart to the message you want me to receive, okay? Remove every illusion and let me hear only what serves my highest good. Okay, so guys, allow your intuition to lead you. Sometimes your eyes will be drawn to certain messages or cards. Also, you can get certain messages. uh, so just simply follow your heart, okay, and trust that feeling. Remember that this is a general and timeless spiritual reading, okay? Not every message will resonate with everyone, and that is perfectly okay. Take what deeply touches your soul, and let the rest remain with the divine. Also, Lord Jagannath's guidance always arrives with perfect timing. So yeah, I really got this feeling to do, I got this urge while I was just sitting all alone okay, and like just getting calmness within me. There was something different that was calling me out, okay? Also, I am providing personal readings with regards to what Jagannath ji exactly wants you as a soul to understand, or whatever your questions are. You can just go on my Instagram account and see for it, or I have also post it, okay, the personal readings option. It is a paid reading, not free one. So definitely, if you feel called to get a help or guidance, then definitely do go for it. Also, before we begin, I'd love to know where you are joining from, okay? If you feel comfortable, share your name or simply write Jai Jagannath in the comments as an offering of devotion. Also, may this sacred space become a place where where souls across the world pray, heal, and grow together regardless of the religion, okay? Because I really feel whoever the highest Lord energy is, it's only one. So now quiet the noise around you, open your heart, and let Lord Jagannath speak directly to your soul, okay? So Jai Jagannath. Okay, let me just take out the cards now. Just take few deep breaths. Let's see, Jagannath ji, what do you want the collectives to know? Who will be viewing this? Honestly speaking, my readings do not reach a lot of people, okay? Because I intend to make the readings exactly for those souls who are in that same energy lines, okay? And I do not care about the numbers. Even if one soul is getting benefited from my reading, I'm very much happy. But yes, just remember, do let me know in the comments. And if you are new subscriber, then definitely do subscribe my channel, okay? And I will be happy if you join our beautiful family. Okay. So what I'm seeing is maybe you guys yesterday have for a lot of you have missed Lord Jagannath's yatra, okay, because and you were feeling very bad, okay, you were feeling a little bit disappointed that you couldn't join the Rath Yatra, or you couldn't see it, you wanted to be there. That is one kind of thing, but Jagannath ji is saying, I am in the whole world, okay? You just have to call me upon and try to feel, okay? You shouldn't be depressed, okay? If you're not seeing me anywhere, you should be happy, because I'm everywhere. I am in your heart and I'm in your soul, okay? That's what Jagannath ji is saying to you. Also, if you have wore pink color, red color, black color, and if you have Jagannath ji's wallpaper, or nearby you there is mandir of Jagannath ji, okay, or you have Jagannath ji's mandir in your home, then this reading is for you. Yeah, so for whom this reading is all about, okay, I really feel I will take this one card first, okay, the Tower moment. I really think that you have been gone through a lot of things, honestly speaking. When yesterday the Jagannath Yatra was going on, a lot of you have cried. Just let comment me down if it resonates with you, because I really feel that you have cried to Jagannath ji a lot, and you really felt so amazing yesterday when you just lifted something. You felt like something has been lifted from your life, and honestly speaking, that is nothing but you have been surrendered, okay, your energies, negative emotions, stressful things was been surrendered, and yes, you were deeply loved by the presence of Jagannath, Lord Jagannath ji as well. I feel like your entire life, okay, your some life section is very much hardened, okay, and you couldn't let it go, okay. For some of you, I also feel you were emotionally broke, you were financially broke. For some of you, everything was up and down in your life. I'm so sorry. I think maybe you have got cold and cough also. For some of you, you really feel that a lot of things happened wrong in your life and you didn't got any kind of justice, okay. That is your current energies. You want justice, but you never received the justice, okay. I don't know why I said judges. Maybe something there is regarding with the court you are um, facing, okay. I also feel that number 11, you can be seeing 1111. So I don't know why, but I'm feeling the energy of that video of 1111 which I have made. If you have if you are seeing 1111, and if you are being called to watch that video also, you can just check it out, okay. uh, I really feel that you have gone through the dark night of the soul. Your whole entire life foundation has been struggling. Okay, you are actually in a survival mode. Honestly speaking, I really feel you felt a very bad. You have gone through a very bad phase in your life. Now you do not talk much. You only talk to Jagannath ji, okay. You only talk to the Lord who you believe in, okay. And yes, for some of you, you are seeing Jagannath ji's you're feeling Jagannath ji's presence. Even if you are not seeing anything, you believe that there is somehow a higher power who is helping you out of every situation, who is always there with you, okay. This is your energies, and this is the confirmation signs that you can get, okay. Also, you have wore white For some of you also, I feel your communication is been having issues, or you're not communicating at all. Also you can see the cross signs, okay, the wrong cross signs, okay, everywhere. I really feel um, also I feel that you have been called to do some things, okay. I really feel that there is some new beginnings you have been called to, but it is very hard. You are saying, like, I'm listening these words, divine, you're saying to the divine lord that it is very hard, it is really very hard to even wake up. It is hard to believe how can, why I'm facing all those stuff, how can anyone behave like this with me, how can I love myself, no one is loving me. I don't know why, but there are a lot of questions, and someone is literally crying so hard. They just want their life to be feel good, they want to just get rid of, they want to go somewhere, they just want to get vanished. That is kind of a feeling they just want to move move along the lanes like graciously. Yes, you can see also white horses. Yes, you are getting very negative. Your life is very get negative. Also, I feel that I cannot show you this card. I'm so sorry. Okay, I will keep it like this. Yeah, so you can understand. So I really feel that you are getting so negative. There are a lot of negative events and circumstances that are coming in your way. Okay, I also feel your number 2. You're governed by the moon. Okay, your number 15. Your number 16. You're also 23, 21, number 5, number 10, number 19 is very significant. Aries, Leo, Libra, Scorpio, Aquarius is important for you guys. Okay, that's those are the signs. Maybe you can also see white feathers or normally feathers in your house or anywhere you are going and moving forward. There is like emerald green color nearby you, peach color or peach nearby you. Also peacock feather, also Krishna ideal, also some keys nearby you. A handkerchief is also related, a battery charger. I won't take that, sorry. Universe, please tell me what is the energy you want us, what is this energy of this reading. Why did you call? Okay. Why did you call the weavers here? I see. What an amazing start. Why did you call the souls here today? Let's see why did Lord Jagannath call you here today? I'm not pulling the cards today because I really genuinely I'm being called to just do what they are saying. Okay, so see, I really feel a lot of things are hidden. A lot of things are hidden. I will pull total 7 cards, okay? I'm being called to pull 7 cards, honestly speaking, because Yesterday was number 16, which is 7. A lot has been changed. Yesterday, I think something changed within you and within your whole behavior. What once I am also listening this, what once you wanted, now you don't want that. Now you don't want that, and now it will come to you. It will surely come to you. For a lot of you, it has already came. For some of you, there are you are asking a lot of things. Okay, there are a lot of questions. Jagannath ji is saying, go for the guidance. Okay, go for something private coaching or private things. Okay, private sessions, private healings, because it will help you to get in order, and it will really help you in your overall life, in your energy levels. Four of Cups. One more card. One more card. One more card. I want you to give me the whole overall reading theme. Okay. The whole overall reading theme is Nine of Wands. So maybe you're seeing 999, 333. Okay, 888. And 1010 for some of you. Your birth dates can be 3, 9, 10, 8, 19, 17, 26, 23, 21, 24. Okay. So beautiful souls, if these are the cards that have come out today, the very first thing I hear from Lord Jagannath is this, I did not call you here because I wanted something from you. I called you here because I know how heavy your heart has become. And this, literally, I told you, right? It really connects with the signs that I already received for you, because as I said that, the signs which I was seeing, okay, which was making me feel that some of you have been cried a lot in front of Jagannath ji. You didn't wanted him to go, okay. You wanted to be up with him. You wanted to hug him. That is also the feeling you always keep on talking a lot with Lord Jagannath ji, the divine sources. Okay, I also feel that this reading carries the energy of souls who have silently carried lots of burdens for a very long time. In fact, many of you smile around others, continue your responsibilities, encourage everyone else. Yet, when you are alone, there are nights when your mind refuses. Okay, honestly speaking, it refuses to rest. Some of you have cried, okay, also without any understanding why. And I mean, you have literally cried without no reason, without not understanding anything why you're crying. Okay, that can be also be done. Also, others have questioned your purpose, wondering if the divine has forgotten you. You feel that you are neglected from the divine, okay, divine source. Also, I really feel that. Mm, Also, what I'm hearing is, see, if the birds are chirping, if you can listen the voices. Oh my God. Lord Jagannath says that, I have never looked away from you. Even in your silence, I was listening. Okay, so if you feel that you have never told anything, then Jagannath ji, the divine souls, um, do not listen or do not know anything. It is not the case. The divine source always knows what its child is facing, what its child is going through. No matter what the child has done, any wrong things or good things, there is no right or wrong for when it comes to our Lord. When the energies, it's just that when it's like our parent, right? I really feel that our parents never ever judge us. Even if you are wrong, they take us and they make us understand. Okay, they tell us it's okay, that this is life. Okay, this is life and we are the part of it. In fact, we are the part playing here. Okay, we are trying to experience. It is nothing that you have to take very seriously. Also, I'm listening because you guys are taking a lot of things very seriously lately. Also, small things are getting in your head. Okay, and it is making you feel very emotional or triggered or angered or something. Even your past traumas are coming out. Also, a lot of things are coming to light, I also feel. Okay, that's something I'm you're that's something I'm realizing and getting. Okay, I'm also seeing that a lot of you have been neglected. You are not respecting yourself, and you have understood that if you are not respecting yourself, not prioritizing yourself, you are not being prioritized in the, like, in the 3D world as well. Okay, also this three of cups, the first message is one of the divine reunion. I can listen and see that uh, this isn't only about friendships or celebrations here. Okay, I can sense that. In fact, in like spiritually, this card speaks about your soul reconnecting with the parts of itself that were lost through disappointments, rejection, heartbreak, and survival. I also feel that many of you were not feeling anything. You were feeling very much overwhelmed. Also, you were not feeling the calm, but right now you're feeling that calmness within you. Also, many watching have spent years becoming the strong one. I can hear that. Also, I'm seeing the one who comforts everyone, the one who always understands others, but somewhere along the journey you stop celebrating yourself. Somewhere along the journey you start giving that comfort to your own self. You started prioritizing others but not you. Also, a lot of you never understand themselves. Okay, they didn't saw themselves. They didn't saw their presence. They lost their own soul, they lost their own presence, this lost this spark. I can see this. Okay, and Lord Jagannath is saying that joy is also devotion. Okay, you don't have to suffer continuously to prove your faith. uh, Also, he's preparing to bring people into your life who feel like answered prayers rather than lessons. I know it how it feels. Every person comes like a lesson, but now Jagannath ji is trying. It's making a way for people who can bring answers of your prayer rather than just lessons. Okay, because the lesson part is been done for you right now, and celebration part is being coming forward. Also, I feel like some of you will reconnect with your inner child. A lot of you have already felt your inner child coming into the existence when you yesterday, okay, on the 16th of July. Also, a lot of you have, if you are a July baby, then universe is trying to tell you, the Lord is trying to tell you that you are really a firefighter, because July people has gone a lot of dramatic changes and overwhelming energies. I can feel, and they are like dead, like they are feeling like a dead worm. Okay, especially July peoples, because a lot of astronomical events are in July, and this July people have literally gone through a hell kind of a stuff. So yeah, that is one of the things. Also, some of you will reconnect with the family, some with a genuine soul tribe, some with your own forgotten happiness. Okay, I also sense that. Also, with this Nine of Swords, okay, this card is telling me why Lord Jagannath called you today, because your mind has become louder than your soul. Okay, many of you, like keep asking, what if nothing changes, what if I fail again, also what if I disappoint everyone, what if I am running out of time. Lord Jagannath gently here is interrupting your thoughts. Okay, why? Because he says that the future you fear exists only inside your mind, not inside my plan. So there is a difference between your mind and my plan. So please stick to the plan, my plan, and not your mindsets. Okay, also many of your fears are inherited universes. Jagannath ji, Lord Jagannath ji is showing you a lot of patterns of yours. Also, what is outgrown, you have outgrown a version of you, that is also the thing. Okay, some also some belong to past failures, some belong to your childhood, some belong to people who projected their limitations onto you. I also feel some also made you feel a lot of tragedy kind of a stuff, that you are the only problem. So yeah, that is also one pattern that keeps running inside you. Also, he asked you today that whose voice are you believing, mine or the fears? This is a question that has been asked to you, and you have to comment this down. Why? Because a lot of you are listening to fear's voice and not your Lord's voice. So that is a strict question that has been asked, I believe, from this card. Also, with this Ten of Pentacles, yes, with regards to this Nine of Swords, is giving me that this is one of the strongest blessings in today's reigning. Why? Because as you can see, it has come. This card is coming between these two. So yeah, Lord Jagannath is not thinking about temporary happiness for you. Let me tell you it very comfortably, because this is Ten of Pentacles, and Pentacles is a grounded thing. Okay, Pentacles are not just like that. It is. It takes time. Okay, it takes time to a seed to grow and get into a tree format, and that is what the thing is. And Lord Jagannath ji is rebuilding your entire foundation here. Okay, and that is why we have received the Tower movement first in your energies. So also this card speaks of generational healing, also breaking family patterns, financial stability, long-term success, a peaceful home, respect, legacy, and a lot of many of you are the chosen soul in your family line, not because your journey is easier, but because your soul agreed to end cycles that have existed to generations. So some of you constantly feel different from your family, also different from society, different from everyone around you. That isn't loneliness, it is preparation. Also, I feel that you are in the peak point of editing and cutting off your generational patterns, and you can see a lot of chaos happening. Okay, and that is how it has been done past few days. Okay, you have gone through a massive like breakage, okay, broken hearts and very chaotic moments and so on. Like you have literally cried and screamed off, sleepless nights, like aggressive behavior and everything. So but yesterday you felt something different, and that's when Lord Jagannath is saying you that you were never meant to repeat history, you came here to rewire it. And this is how you are rewiring it, by first cleansing it and understanding the core issues. Okay, also this page of wands is telling me that your soul has been waiting for permission, permission to begin, permission to create, permission to leave, also permission to dream again. Lord Jagannath smiles here because uh, why are you waiting for permission when I have already opened the path? Yeah, that is a question again, and there is a lot of questions asked by the by universe itself to you, by the Lord itself to you, to make you aware of certain things, because you're not understanding certain things which are like they are right in front of you, but you're unable to see it. You're unable to see them, and that's why the Lord has to make a way towards you. Okay, also this card talks about some fresh beginnings, like a new career, creative calling can be there, business trips or business starting a business, travel plans, spiritual missions, or unexpected opportunities you can expect. Many of you have delayed your own destiny because you feared making the wrong choices or wrong decisions, but Lord Jagannath is reminding you here that movement creates clarity. If you get stuck into something, it won't help you in any way, shape or form. You have to do some movement in order to get that clarity. Because movement creates that clarity and not the other way around. That is the simple fact you need to understand. Also, when this strength cards come, this is not the strength the world celebrates. Okay, this is something sacred strength, the strength to forgive without becoming weak. Okay, because a lot of you have gone so much of things that you are not forgiving people. You do not have to forget it, I understand it. Okay, you're just being asked to forgive, because the moment you forgive, you give yourself that closure and clarity that it's done. Okay, yeah, it feels like very bad and very disappointing and so on, but yeah, also Jagannath ji is trying to tell you that the strength to keep believing after disappointment is also something that you are gaining right now. The strength to stay kind in a world that rewarded bitterness is going to be the actual thing for you, because in this bitter world you are someone very cute soul, very sweet soul, a very kind soul, and unconditional kind of a soul, who, because everyone has conditions. Okay, but you are someone who is unconditional, and after our parents there is no one who can be unconditional, but sometimes some souls are so unconditional, they are just amazing. But universe is also telling you that you have to make sure that you put a boundary. Okay, you put that courage, you give that strength to yourself, and put something for a boundary to help you secure yourself and protect yourself. Also, Lord Jagannath is incredibly proud of how far you have came. Okay, because I'm hearing this, that people only saw your smile, but I saw every battle behind it. Okay, so there is nothing unseen by the Lord. Okay, every tear you hide, every prayer whispered, every moment you chose faith over giving up, nothing escaped his vision. Okay, he has been there, even if you felt like he was not there, he was there, and he has every note of every note of every second of your life. Okay, and this four of cups here is talking about, many of you have been literally asking, why has nothing happened yet? The answer is literally surprising, because because your eyes have become fixed on one doorway. Meanwhile, Lord Jagannath has quietly opened another one beside you, but you are not able to see that, because you are not choosing to see that. You are not choosing to move away from it. You are only stuck to that one. You are seeing in the right side direction um, of the body, then or this perspective, then it is only going to show you only one door. But if you see to the left and above and down, then you can see other doors as well. This card also says the blessings you have been asking for may not arrive in the form you imagined, okay, because the career may be different, the relationship may look different, the path may surprise you, the person you are thinking is the least right one, but that is the right one for you, yet it will fulfill your soul far more deeply. Also release expectations, Jagannath ji is saying, and receive miracles, because it's very important for you, because the bottom of the deck is nine of wands, okay, and this nine of wands is literally the card perfectly describing your soul, okay, because you are very exhausted, not because you are weak, because you have been strong for like too long, okay. And I also feel that many of you almost have gave up, um, like you have literally given up. I can sense that. And I also feel that you guys, okay, you guys have asked, like, God, how much more I have to go through more, how when is the end, okay, of this struggling and crying and negativity kind of stuff. And honestly speaking, Lord Jagannath has answered this to you today. One more sunrise, one more prayer, and one more step, because this card is not about defeat, it is the final stretch before the breakthrough. Also, Spirit is saying that your persistence has already changed timelines you cannot yet see, okay. Obviously, how you will be able to see if you're only looking at one direction. So what stands out most is the beautiful progression of these cards, okay, because you move from emotional isolation, to some mental healing, to lasting stability, to inspired beginnings, also to inner strength, to releasing old expectations of your own, okay. And like, while standing at the threshold of a breakthrough, you are like literally releasing at once, like in a day I can feel that you are releasing everything, you are surrendering, you are like, it's okay now, let it be. um Divine will wrap it up how they want it to be now. That is something that I'm listening and getting. Also, this is not the this is not the energy of someone being punished. Also, this is the energy of someone being prepared, and prepared for so amazingly that the blessings they once prayed for but weren't get yet ready to hold, but now they are ready, okay. Lord Jagannath is asking you to, stop measuring your life by what hasn't happened. Instead, notice who you have become. You have become stronger, you have become communicator, you have become the highest version of yourself, and that is something is more powerful than something else that is in the 3D world. And the person reading this today is wiser than before, okay. The person reading this, or listening to this, or whatever you are, I don't know why, but I'm seeing someone uh, reading some book or something, quote, and they are getting some hints, okay. Also, more compassionate than before, more spiritually aware than before you have become. Your external world is beginning to catch up with the transformation of your soul has already undergone, because I can see you have gone through a lot, and it was very much like, very much kind of exaggerating and exhausting, and made you feel like the worst. I am listening this channeled message for you guys with these cards, okay. That, my beloved child, I called you here today because your heart needed my reassurance more than another answer, okay. You didn't wanted any answer, it was not the answer you were seeking all around, you were seeking for the reassurance from my side. And I know it. You have mistaken delay for rejections also. You believed that The silence meant I had forgotten you. I didn't give you any signs properly, or you felt like my signs are misleading you. But I have been arranging people's places, opportunities, and divine timings that your human eyes could not yet see. You were literally crying and sobbing. You are so busy in crying and seeing the only negative and darkness of yours, but I was seeing completely your lightness. And I can literally assure you that do not compare your journey with anyone's else, because every closed door protected you, every delay matured you today, and every tear softened your heart instead of hardening it. Walk forward without fear. Okay, obviously walk forward without fear. uh, the blessings, okay, the blessings approaching your life are, you know are not rewards for being perfect. In fact, they are expressions of my endless grace on you. Keep your faith alive a little longer. Your story is going to change, and your story is changing for the betterment, and you have already received it. The energy that has been changed is something good. Also, uh, mm, make sure that when you do the energy exchange, it should be in the right places and with the right peoples. Okay, do not ever go into free forms, because those free forms are someone's important energies that has been giving you support for your own life purpose. So you have to receive it graciously, and also you need to be thankful for it. Also, let the people around you who deserve to know you that know that you are really thankful for them, because when you give thanks to the genuines, you receive it genuinely within yourself and within your life, and you start seeing magic happening day by day, moment by moment, and minute by minute, and then second by second. And when it does, you will understand why I called you here today. Okay, so remember to comment down and claim the energies by typing or commenting Jai Jagannath. Okay, and honestly speaking, this was very emotional reading, guys. I literally almost cried. But yeah, this is it for you guys. Um, and see, the bottom of the deck was the sun card. You don't know what is coming towards you. This what that is coming to you is beyond your imagination. It is beyond your soul even could grasp it. Okay, it is beyond everything, because it is universe. Ja- Jagannath ji literally pouring love towards you. So definitely do claim the energies, guys. And if you want to share, if you feel like sharing with someone, definitely do that, because that's your token point. Okay, bye.